If you are looking for an electric dirt bike that means business, the Windone RS5 aims to deliver serious off-road performance. This bike promises thrilling speeds, impressive power, and a substantial range for teens and adults ready for adventure. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's kick things off by diving deep into the Windone RS5's performance and how. The Windone RS5 boasts a top speed of up to 37 miles per hour and a 2,200 watts peak motor, providing impressive power. Its reliable 48-volt, 22.5 amp-hour battery system provides up to 45 miles per charge, which is excellent for extended adventures. You get excellent control with front hydraulic suspension, a rear air shock for impact absorption, and strong front and rear. With 3 selectable speed modes including Eco, Standard, and Sport, the RS5 caters to riders of different experience levels, allowing. Overall, the Windone RS5 delivers a compelling performance package with its speed, power, and excellent ride. Next, let's evaluate the Windone RS5's construction, how easy it is to own. The Windone RS5 has UL 2271 certified battery and UL 2272 certified electric vehicle systems, indicating a strong commitment. We see a robust construction, indicated by its 116. The product facts provide solid detail on crucial aspects like speed, motor, battery, and safety, giving a good overall picture. At a price of $949.99, especially considering its robust features and certifications, the Windone RS5 appears to offer a strong. The Windone RS5 shows strong signals for a durable build and a safe ownership experience, making the Windone RS5 electric dirt bike is a strong contender for those seeking a high-performance off-road experience. Its powerful motor, impressive range, and advanced safety features, including UL certifications, make it a compelling choice. While it represents a significant investment, the features and build quality suggest solid value for adventurous riders.